The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is finally in production, and everything is now locked in. If you skipped the Z Fold 6 because it felt too similar to the Fold 5, get ready. Samsung's bringing 33 upgrades that'll crush your expectations. I've broken these changes into 3 key groups, starting with the upgrades you'll see and feel the moment you unbox it. Number 1, the obvious upgrades, what you'll notice immediately. First, Samsung finally listened. Leaked CAD renders confirm the Z Fold 7 isn't just taller than the Fold 6, it's wider. That means bigger displays, 6.5-inch cover screen, and a massive 8-inch main screen. Early leaks said 8.2 inches, but production specs suggest otherwise. And the crease? Almost gone. Samsung's using new flexible glass to make it thinner and flatter. Compare this to Chinese foldables or the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and the Z Fold 7 might just set a world record for slimness. But the real game changer? Cameras. For the first time, the Fold gets the S-Series Ultra camera system, explaining that larger camera bump. And with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite chip, Wi-Fi 7, and upgraded speakers, this isn't just a foldable, it's a multimedia beast. Now the S Pen. No, it still doesn't slot inside, but Samsung's launching a new Apple Pencil-style version with pressure sensitivity. Catch? You'll need to charge it, even for basic tasks. Full details soon. Number 2, the hidden upgrades, what you won't see, but should celebrate. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is an engineering marvel. The hinge, redesigned. Dust resistance, stronger brushes to survive beach disasters. And both screens now use Samsung's ProScaler display tech from the S25, boosting battery life by 55+ minutes. Thermal throttling? Gone. A larger vapor chamber keeps the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 ice cold during Galaxy AI tasks. And the under-display camera? Slightly better, but let's be real, you'll still use the cover screen for selfies. Number 3, the Samsung being Samsung upgrades, good and bad. Now the quirks. Buttons? Same pill-shaped design. No complaints. Camera rings? Divisive. Love 'em or hate 'em. Battery? Still 4,400 mAh. Marketing math strikes again. Why? Samsung's avoiding silicon carbon tech, likely haunted by the Note 7. Storage? No 16GB RAM option. Sigh. But here's the shocker. Price isn't rising. With this many upgrades, that's a win. So, will the Z Fold 7 finally dethrone Chinese foldables? Or is Samsung playing it too safe? Drop your thoughts below. And if you want every single upgrade analyzed, smash subscribe. Next up, Samsung's 2025 roadmap exposed. This is Atif Official. See you there.